Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to mulch with fresh grass clippings so your garden doesn't get stinky. Here's a clip from the show. And then I also got mulch. So I had this little area in the driveway that had some good grass, so I want to go ahead and get this mulch. So I want to put this on about a 1/2 inch thick, and then maybe next week we can come back and put another 1/2 inch. One thing about using fresh grass is that if you put it on too thick, it's going to get really smelly on you. So the key here is to put it on a 1/2 inch or so. Maybe you can go up to 1 inch, and then come back and put another layer on so that it has a chance to get dry. So I love using the grass clippings. You want to make sure that it's out of organic grown grass and doesn't have any weed seeds in it. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 5. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.